Crafting realistic foam tombstones for your Halloween display is an art that blends creativity with the right tools. When it comes to shaping foam into convincing weathered gravestones, our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits stand out as the perfect choice. Engineered for precision and durability, these tool bits help you transform ordinary foam blocks into hauntingly detailed tombstone props that set the perfect eerie atmosphere. To begin, select a block of rigid foam, the kind commonly used for insulation or crafting. Visualize the shape of your tombstone, whether it's a classic rounded arch, a Gothic spire, or a simple rectangular slab. With a marker, sketch the outline directly onto the foam. Now, it's time to bring out your die grinder, fitted with a coarse cylindrical carbide burr. This bit is specifically designed for aggressive, yet controlled material removal, making it ideal for rough shaping. Secure your foam block on a stable surface. With the die grinder running, gently guide the coarse cylindrical burr along the marked outline. The carbide burr efficiently carves away excess foam, allowing you to quickly establish the basic form of your tombstone. Don't worry about achieving a perfectly smooth finish at this stage. The goal is to roughen the general shape. The robust construction of our USA-made carbide burrs ensures they glide through foam effortlessly, minimizing fatigue and maximizing control. Once the silhouette is defined, you can begin adding more detailed contours. Use the cylindrical burr to bevel the edges and round off corners, which helps the tombstone look aged and worn rather than freshly cut. For a truly realistic effect, tilt the grinder to create nicks, chips, and subtle indentations along the edges. These imperfections mimic the wear and tear that real stone would endure over decades. To create cracks and fissures, use the edge of the cylindrical burr to score jagged lines across the surface. Vary the depth and width of these lines for a natural appearance. For deeper crevices, hold the burr in place momentarily, allowing it to burrow in and create shadowed recesses. The sharpness and toughness of our carbide burrs mean you can achieve fine, intricate cracks without the bit dulling or clogging, even after extended use. A weathered texture is key to making your foam tombstones look authentic. Lightly drag the cylindrical burr across the surface in irregular sweeping motions. Apply uneven pressure to produce rough patches and pitted areas that resemble decaying stone. You can even use a combination of gentle passes and more forceful scrapes to simulate erosion and surface flaking. The versatility of our carbide burr tool bits allows you to customize the level of detail, from subtle weathering to dramatic deterioration. After you're satisfied with the shape and texture, brush away the foam debris and inspect your work. If desired, switch to a finer carbide burr for any additional detailing or smoothing. Once complete, your tombstone is ready for painting and finishing touches, perhaps inscribing a spooky epitaph or adding moss for extra realism. Using our USA-made carbide burr die grinder tool bits for foam tombstones not only speeds up the carving process, but also opens up endless possibilities for creative expression. Whether you're crafting a single gravestone or a whole haunted cemetery, these durable, high-quality bits are essential for turning your Halloween visions into reality. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more tips on using our tools for creative projects, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to see your Halloween creations and hear your ideas. So leave your comments below and let us know what spooky props you're making this year. Happy haunting!